Hi, welcome to IT and Automation, and in today's video we are going to look into how to install Homebrew in order to install applications in Mac operating system as a restricted user. So here, who am I? I'm a user called IT and Automation, and if I look into sudo -v, it says, okay, don't have enough permission there. So what we need to do here is we need to now install Homebrew in a non-default location in order to install K9s and binary there. So I'll create a new directory here called Homebrew, and I will bring binary in that particular location. Okay, I did an extra make dir Homebrew. Let's copy that bit and put it there. So by default, Homebrew installs itself in USR local, which is a privileged path. So that is the reason why we need to install it into a different location. So now we have a binary in this path here, which is users home homebrew /bin. What we need to do now is we need to update our path. So after installation, you can add custom homebrew path to your path. So this is our path. What we will do is we'll do run export command, where we will reuse the existing path and append the homebrew path into that so that everything else remains working there. So for that, you would run this command here with $export path equals $path, which is existing path, and then append the path for the homebrew. So there, that $path should be path. First instance there, yes, that runs, and now if you look into path, you have that user IT and automation homebrew bin. So if I try to run homebrew now, brew now, it will use that homebrew installation, and it will allow me to install packages such as K9s. It could be for any other packages. And the command we've ran to export the path, that can be made permanent with ZSH RC or the bash profile as well. You can have that export path equals to blah inside your bash RC. Yeah, and in this occasion I did run export command, which only works for this particular session, and it won't be persistent for other sessions. So here, without being a privileged user, we installed Homebrew, or extracted the Homebrew and installed the package using Homebrew. And Mac doesn't allow installing applications or softwares in a system level directories like USR local without sudo privilege, and that is for security, stability, or system integrity reason. And for that reason, we had to install it in a different location. And macOS restrictions on installing software at this directory level is primarily in place to protect the system itself. So these restrictions help ensure that only the trusted software and the user can make significant changes to the operating system, which would be a sudo privileged user. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more videos.